Thank you for tuning in to this video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to automate the generation of leads via social media. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. Don't forget to like the video. It lets YouTube know that content like ours is valuable to others. So let's get started. Social media is undoubtedly a goldmine for business prospects. It can be a really effective lead source, but only if you reach out to the right people at the right time. With Zoho CRM, you can ensure that you do not miss out on any valuable prospect from social media anymore. This is achieved by setting up what we call social automation rules. These are just like your regular workflow rules, except that they have been designed to suit the social media context. With these rules, you can instruct CRM to add your followers as leads and contacts automatically based on specific criteria. Needless to say, this saves a lot of time and efforts for your sales teams. Also, since automation is involved, this becomes an efficient process where you no longer miss out on prospective customers. For more Zoho tips, check out this playlist and subscribe to our channel.